Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond Mine. In case this is your first time visiting my channel, I will be showing you guys how to conceal the grids on your lace frontal wig. And the grids are basically those little black dots that you see on this wig, which is giving off a very unnatural look. I know a lot of women who do not wear lace frontal wigs because of this reason. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to conceal those black dots without any type of bleaching. And this is going to be a hassle-free thing. So this is what your wig should look like after you watch this video. So before you put your wig on, you want to make sure you have on a stocking cap. This is going to help give a more natural look with the lace, and it's also going to provide a protection between your wig and your hair so there's no friction in between. So this is pretty much what the grid looks like on your lace frontal wig. You guys can see the black dots if you look very closely. This part looks very unnatural. As you guys know, I hate thin parts. So I took a little bit of water to smooth out the hair so I could see exactly what I'm working with as far as parting space. Now, I have not done any type of bleaching or customization on this wig whatsoever. In this video, we're only going to focus on getting this part to look more natural and concealing the grids on this wig. After you have made the hard decision on where you want your part to be, you want to take a pair of tweezers. You can take a regular pair like this or a similar pair like this, which I absolutely love right now. And you're going to take your tweezers and you're just going to gently pluck out the hairs in the part. Now you don't want to do this roughly because you can rip your lace. And once you do that, if you don't know how to fix it, girl, we just ain't even gonna go that route. So just gently do it and just pull the hairs out of the parting space on the wig. And this is pretty much what it should start to look like. This is not a long process. It should take like a couple of minutes. Also, when it comes to plucking, it's very easy to over pluck and not get a natural look. So you want to make sure you just pluck and look before you continue. So the next step to concealing the grids on your lace frontal wig is adding a little bit of foundation. This is going to give you a more natural look. As you guys can see, those black dots disappeared literally. This is a step that I absolutely love. For you guys who watch my videos all the time, you guys know I have to do this. Like, I prefer to do this over bleaching because it just helps with the hassle-free process, and it just gives you a more clean look and you don't have to worry about damaging your hair. So this is what your parting space should look like after you do those two steps. So I'm going to part my hair in a different section and show you guys another product that would help get rid of the grids on your lace frontal wig. And also, guys, see the reason behind using a stocking cap underneath your wigs, because when you part your hair, even if you don't use anything to conceal the grids, it will give you a better look when it comes to the scalp illusion, and it will also give you like a guidance when it comes to plucking the part for your wig. So again, we're going to follow those same two steps that I did in the last parting on this wig. Sprayed a little bit of water to lay down any sort of flyaways, so I can make sure I am plucking precisely on this middle part. Now this wig is being sponsored by Hot Beauty Hair. This is their 13x6 transparent lace frontal wig. This is a very nice wig when it comes to the frontal. You do get about 5 inches of parting space. So for you girls who love, a really good amount of parting space, you'll love this wig. Again, plucking or tweezing the part on your wig is definitely going to help with hiding the grids on your lace frontal wig, because think about it, you're plucking out some of those black dots that's very visible in your parting space. So when you're doing this, don't be afraid, just move slowly. Tweeze the hairline or tweeze the part very gently to make sure you don't rip the lace, and move around while you are tweezing the part. So don't just stay in one area, because then it's going to be easier for you to get a bald spot. So like I'm doing here, I'm just moving up and down until I get my part to look the way I want it to look. Most of you guys should be familiar with this product, but in case you're not, this is the Sally Hansen leg makeup. I usually use this all over my lace frontal, replacing the need to have to use bleach in order to conceal the black dots or get a more natural look on the hairline. So I'm going to spray that product right on that parting space. Now typically I would spray it all over my lace frontal wig, but for this video I'm just going to only spray it in that part. Now the residue that you see me trying to wipe away comes from the Sally Hansen leg makeup. That's why I just prefer to spray it all over. But this is what both of the parting spaces look like if you decide to use foundation. And then if you decide to use the Sally Hansen leg makeup. So either one is definitely going to give you a natural parting look. And it's also going to 100% conceal those grids on your lace frontal wig without using any type of bleach. So this method is perfect for my girls who do not want to use bleach or do not understand how to use bleach, or just simply don't even want to go through the hassle of bleaching the wig and possibly over processing it. Oh, and the two products that I use to hide the grids on this wig is easy to remove. Basically, the only thing you do is either apply water or you shampoo the hair and it comes right off. Compared to bleaching, if you bleach your frontal and you make a mistake, such as over processing it when you turn the hair blonde, you will probably have to go in with a hair color dye and re-dye those roots. I have a video showing how I do that, but it's just really complicated. Also, when you bleach your frontals, you are going to experience shedding. It's also very possible for your frontal to thin out over time and have bald spots in it over time, just because you are using a chemical. These two methods, or these two products, are hassle-free. You don't have to worry about any of that when you use this product. And if you mess up, the good thing about it is you can use water and it comes right off and you can start all over again. So I'm just going to finish off the look by flat ironing the hair, and I'm just going to keep it in its original texture, which is straight, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. So here's a close-up of how the part looks and how you cannot see any grids on this lace frontal wig. I'm telling you guys, this method is fail-proof, it's super duper easy, and it's a must-do when you're wearing wigs, especially if you don't want to look like you're wearing a wig. And nobody wants to look like they're wearing a wig, so definitely make sure you follow the steps in this video, and I promise you, you will be able to hide the grids on your lace frontal wig as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, of course, thumbs it up and share it with your friends and family. And I have a ton of other wig videos where you can get your entire life. Thanks for watching. Bye.